In just a few seconds, I'll show you how to enter recovery in DFU mode like a pro and restore your iPad from the ground up. I have in hand the 2017 iPad Pro running OS 17. To put your iPad into recovery mode, follow these steps carefully. First, turn off your iPad completely. Wait until the screen is completely black. Now, press and hold the home button, and while holding it, connect the USB cable to your computer. Keep holding the home button until you see the cable icon and the iTunes or computer logo appear on the screen. Your iPad is now in recovery mode and ready to be restored or updated. To exit recovery mode, press and hold both the home button and the power button at the same time. Continue holding for at least 10 seconds. Release both buttons when the screen go black. Recovery mode and DFU mode might sound similar, but they're not the same. One fixes software problems, the other goes deeper, rebuilding the system from scratch. To put an iPad into DFU mode, connect it to a computer, press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time until screen go black. After screen go black, wait 4 seconds and release the power button, but keep holding down the home button. Continue holding the home button until your computer screen shows a message indicating that it has detected an iPad in DFU mode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips.